Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This body butter by The Body Shop is luxury in a jar. It's such a rich moisturizer, and although it's thick, it soaks into my skin so well. I feel like my skin just drinks it in, and the scent is so subtle and really neutral. I like to use it before bed, and I especially like using it on my extra dry skin, like my legs, arms, and elbows. When you scoop it out of the jar, it's just so thick, but the warmth of your skin and your hands really breaks it down and makes it so nice and creamy. And I love the jar. It's easy to keep right on my nightstand. It's so enjoyable to have this Body Shop Shea Butter Moisturizer. I love the results it gives me. It's such a deep moisturizer, and I love the light, neutral scent that it has. And that's my point of view.